Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Valentin Dish. In a shocking admission, Minister for Environment Alexo Sequeira said drugs are available all over. You don't need sunburn to make drugs available. My hands are tied. I will go with the government on sunburn, he added. Opposition leader Yuri said there is a 100% nexus between drug peddlers and police, and Goa has become drug and casino capital of Asia. Whereas Chief Minister Pramod Sawant assured to crack down on drugs.
I basically believe that drugs are today available. We don't require sunburn to come and make drugs available. We are all shouting over sunburn and drugs. You tell me, there is a festival that is organized for 3 days in Goa every year, and I'm sure some of you have gone to the festival. You want to tell me there are no drugs there? Drugs, I believe, are available. It is our responsibility to identify those selling. Our responsibility to intimate to the police that it is available here. Let us be proactive. Let us support them, let us help them, let us move forward and ensure that there are no drugs available. One side, we talk of drugs. Now you tell me in your own village, drugs are not available?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What am I doing? Nothing. I feel the time has come that all of us, you and me, should walk hand in hand and let us aggressively attack this man. We are today summonized. Everybody is saying drugs, 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 drugs. I also want to know amongst the people who are saying sunburn is drugs, sunburn is... How many of them do not ask for passes? I was Environment Minister between 2007 and 2012. I know how many of the 10 MLAs have asked me for passes. I will go by the decision of the government. It is my duty to convey the sentiments of my people to the Chief Minister, which I have done. Beyond that, my hands are tied. I will go by the decision of the government.
Police itself are become Swaympurna in drugs. In the police station, the Chief Minister during demands did not reply. Baga, ye sogle pade hai. Goa today is known as a drug capital, known as the gambling capital of our state. You look at this all this year. What is all this? This is our culture. The children are watching us today. They are looking what is happening here as a casino for Big Daddy. This is not our culture. So Goa, we have to, what we were known as, is slowly changed into drug capital. This is the failure, murder capital, rape capital. Yes, and there are allegations. The police itself are police station it's all ये नशा मुक्त गोय में पड मुखेल मनी सांगता हे नशा थिंगा जात मरे हेडक्वार्टर आनो नशा मुक्त गोय आणखी जातले
हाज्या मार्फत गोय हे नशा मुक्त राज्य जावचे हाज्या खातीर सरकाराचो भर आसा आनी आमचो एंटी नार्कोटिक सेल त्यानुसार खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात कामगिरी करीत आसा.
The locals of Anjuna and Vagathora are absolutely determined to go ahead with the candle-lit vigil to protest against the torturous sound pollution from music blasted by clubs after 10 p.m. till early morning. The candlelight vigil will start on August 15 at Santa Cruz Chapel at 9:30 p.m. and thereafter at 10 p.m. at the Anjuna police station. Acting Anjuna PI Paresh Naik said he would be sitting in his office to receive complaints till Thursday night. Locals were insistent that they are being tortured with the noise pollution and this has to stop tonight.
They understand that our children, our generations are going to grow here. So we don't need these kind of, clubs coming here or these kind of, noise pollution that they're creating. We need something that is better, a better future for our children, a better place for us to grow and live in. So that is the awareness that we are also trying to create in the minds of people. And with today's vigil, today's march that we're having, I know many of them have given me a very good, feedback saying that we really needed this kind of protest from a very long time. So yes, they are, still very scared, no doubt, but they are going to come out. I know that.
It's a prison. It's actually more of a mental prison more than a physical prison, because people are, you will hear a lot. Yesterday, even Jenny on the program that was done by Herald TV, she mentioned about family members who have lost, their loved ones because of lack of sleep, frustration. And beyond, we have gone to the CM, the MLA, the police, and, there has been no respite that we have got from them.
Right.
Even High Court and the Supreme Court have given their orders, but the implementation stage is where we are lacking.
The worst part of it, we hope the police take action against those violators.
Okay.
Now, they will promise us that from 10 o'clock there will be no music. Okay. The problem is not only the 10.
Okay.
But before 10, I had told even yesterday that there should be a certain decimal which is by the Pollution Control Board. Okay.
Yeah.
The thing, it is too loud. Now also they are playing is too loud.
ऑगस्ट इंडिपेंडन्स डे आम्ही सगळे वागातोचे हांगचे लोक एक कॅन्डल लायट मार्च करून पुलीस स्टेशनार वचपाक आसा कळ्ळें न्हू बिकॉज आमकां जे प्रॉमिसीस दिला ऑथॉरिटीज आमचे लोकल MLAs इवन द CM डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत ते सगळे पोल के द हॉलो प्रॉमिसीस तितून अजून कांय इम्प्लिमेंटेशन या कांय सिरियसनेस कांयच जावना तेजेर अजून एक्शन कांयच जावना तर आमी सगळीं जाणटी भुरगीं सगळो लोक जो आसा न्हू आमच्या वागातोचो जो एफेक्ट जाता जो एफेक्ट जायना पासून तो सगळो ह्यो आमी कॅन्डल लायट मार्च करून पुलीस स्टेशनार वचपाक आसा ह्यो जागे इकते गेल्ल्या या लिजार गेल्ल्या आनी हे जे बॉम्बे दिल्लीचे लोक जे आसा न्हू ते पयशे करता बट कोणाचे कुस्तार आमच्या लोकांच्या कुस्तार हेल्थाच्या कुस्तार सगळे पयशे करता
We have already put a complaint yesterday. I have inverted one complaint letter to you with the posters.
Everything will be shut.
And they even don't have consent letter. These are the posters they have been displaying.
All these posters are.
This is inverted to you yesterday.
Yeah, I have seen this. All will be shut.
There is no consent also.
That's how you look at them, sir.
No, I have seen this. I have seen that. They are inverted. According to the invert, it comes to me.
I don't know.
I don't कोणी केलं म्हटलं माहिती आहे लागू नका तोंडावर लागू नका पहिले तुम्हाला सांगता ए भाऊ उलोवपाक सांगता तेन्ना उलोव दिस इज माय ऑफिस नॉट ओके
what rubbish.
Why you threatening? I have a right to speak. I am also from Aguilera. I will stop all the music.
Bureau Report for Herald TV.
The noise pollution in the Anjuna-Vagatur belt is showing nothing short of harrowing. Small Vagatur resident Jani Krasto said, whose son is fighting seizures and autism, said he can't sleep. She said once she had to rush him out of the house due to the unbearable noise. Even 3 people who were ailing in the family have died since they couldn't get rest due to noise, she stated. I once dozed off while moving on a scooter due to lack of sleep at night. She disclosed while narrating the nightmare children and senior citizens in Anjuna-Vagatur undergo.
It's been really terrible with all these noise pollution happening because my house is situated in such a place where I can even hear W Hotel, which is quite far away. So if they're playing loud music, it affects me. And we don't get sleep at night. My son is suffering from seizures and autism. So when he gets these seizure attacks, he needs to sleep nicely. But with these bang bang, and there is 3 clubs just behind my house, which is not more than a kilometer away. So all these things don't really help him. We are unable to reach to school in time.
Right.
Okay, then at the same time, I am trying to work with him with autism, and with this. With him not being able to concentrate because this new music is going on every now and then, and the music is really bad. It's not suitable for normal people. So yes, it's not helping him to, learn more. And even his doctors also recommended, saying that this kind of environment is not good for him. It was the recording was taken by Jovita, who lives there, and sadly there were at least 3 people that have died in that family due to lack of rest. So they were suffering from their own illness, but they had to take rest. It's like when we fall sick, we just need to take Crocin and take rest. This is what they wanted, which was deprived from them, and so their life was cut short. And it was really touching to see them pass away like this. So it is true. We started, and yeah, we all are getting affected.
Yeah.
Like right from children studying. I was in school, you know, when this started earlier, somewhere in the 90s, and it was very hard for me to concentrate. I literally had to plug my ears and you know, try to concentrate. Nowadays it's so loud and so continuous that children aren't able to sleep. Parents aren't able to get up in the morning. There are some who have to travel from one place to another. I remember once when I was sitting at the back on the scooter, I was dozing because no sleep at night. You know, this can trigger another accident. Okay, then we have senior citizens who are sick, who are ill. They are having, you know, heart problem. I know one family that literally puts her mother-in-law into her sister-in-law's house when there is parties, because everything is vibrating and she feels her heart is going to burst from inside. So they have to take all these initiatives. At one point, I had to take my son out of my house because there was these so-called restaurants are clubs, and they also take in parties as in for weddings. So they had the barat going, and they were banging the tablas so loud that I literally had to take him out, and I went to the park which is next to the church, and I made a call to 112. From morning I'm calling them. It's morning at 12:30, and I've even filed complaints saying that noise pollution shouldn't exist AM or PM, because we have our daily life. We are having a normal life, you know, the rest of the day. We are not, you know, tourist. And I had to take him. No response from them. Then I had to call the Anjuna police station, who was like, ma'am, what is happening? I'm like, can you hear the noise from my phone? And he's like, yes, I can hear. I said, can you stop it? He said, ma'am, it will stop in like 30 minutes. I'm like, what do you think? We are not here to listen to all this.
This is at what time?
This is at 4:30 in the evening.
Okay.
So there is no time limit at all. Now, if you're in an establishment and you need to run a restaurant, you need to have proper license. So we've even asked the Gram Sabha to revoke all these licenses, but nothing has been done about it. They've even taken the, you know, they've sent even notices. What to say is, you have your own consent, I mean your own establishment, and it's not even legal. So because you want to protect yours, which is illegal, you will protect everybody else.
Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant said that Goa will create green jobs in the private sector, and 2,500 vacancies will be filled within the next 1 year on a competitive basis. He also said that Khazan Development and Conservation Board will be constituted and the Land Revenue Code will be amended to prevent agricultural land conversion. The remaining 3 mining blocks were already auctioned, he said, and announced the setting up of a veterinary college in Goa. He was speaking at the 78th Independence Day. Independence Day programs were held all across the country on Thursday. Take a look.
Parade! Rajya salute! Salutations!
श्री साहिल बिसोलाड 5 जुलै 2022 दिसा म्हादय न्हंयत 3 जाण बुडटाले म्हण कळ्ळ्या उपरांत साहिल लाड आनी ताचो काका सागर हांणी न्हंयत उडी मारून 2 जाणांक वाचयले. तिसरे व्यक्तीक वाचोवपाक साहिल हाणें न्हंयत सर्गेस्त परशुराम शहापूरकर तांचे वतीन तांचे घरचे हो भोवमान स्वीकारतात. बेळगांवांत तांचो जल्म जाल्लो. PSP बेळगांवचे सचिव म्हण तांणी काम केलां, तशेंच राष्ट्रीय सेवा दळ आनी गोंय मुक्ती समितीचे सक्रिय वांगडी आशिल्ले. धन्यवाद सर. स्वातंत्र्य
ग्रीन जॉब क्रिएशन हातूर इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करची म्हणून सरकाराचो चड मोठ्या प्रमाणात भर आसा. गोवा स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमिशन ऑलरेडी कार्यरत जालें. आमी पयल्या लिस्टांतल्या बऱ्याच जाणांक तांची लिस्टूय मेळ्ळी. अशाच पद्दतीन आमी पळयता की फुडल्या येता त्या काळात वेगवेगळ्यो एका वर्सा भितर 2,500 नोकऱ्यो ह्यो गोवा स्टाफ सिलेक्शन मार्फत हाज्याच पद्दतीत कॉम्पिटिटीव बेसिसचेर भरपाच्यो आसा. सैम आणि पर्यावरणाचे जतन करपा खातीर आमची सरकाराची जबाबदारी आसा आणि ती पार पाडता आसतना आमची पारंपारीक शीत जमीन ही विकूक बंदी हाडपाच्या हेतून गोवा लँड रेव्हेन्यू कोड हातूंत म्हज्या सरकारात दुरुस्ती हाडल्या. शेती जमनी राखून दवरप हे आमचे कर्तव्य आसा आणि होच हिरवेगार निसर्ग पळोवपा खातीर सदोदीत ट्युरिस्ट हांगासर येत आसता तो राखून दवरपाचें आमचें कर्तव्य आसा. खाण अवलंबीत लोकांचे भवितव्याचो उदरनिर्वाहाचो विचार करून आमी मायनिंग ब्लॉक्सचे ऑक्शन ऑलरेडी सुरवातूय केला. 2 दिसां पयलीं उरलेल्या 3 ब्लॉकांचे ऑक्शन केला. डंप पॉलिसी म्हज्या सरकारान डिक्लेअर केल्ली आसा. ह्या निर्णयांतल्यान राज्याक महसूल तर मेळटलोच, बट खाण पट्ट्यांतल्या लोकांक ह्यो रोजगाराच्यो वेगवेगळ्यो संधी ज्यो आसा ह्यो हांगासर उपलब्ध जातल्यो. गोंय राज्याचे दायज आसपी खाजन शेती हाचे संवर्धन आणि पुनर्जीवन करपाच्या दृश्टीन आमी ह्या दिसा गोवा खाजन डेव्हलपमेंट अँड कन्झर्वेशन बोर्ड हो स्थापन करपाचे आमी जाहीर करता. त्या भायर गोवा एग्रीकल्चर कॉलेज हाची आमी स्थापना केल्या. येता त्या वर्सा गोवा वेटनरी कॉलेज हे आमी चालीक लावपाचें थारायलां.
कोकणी
सावधान पोलीस गावचे
The Chikali Youth Farmers Club celebrated the 78th Independence Day of India by transplanting paddy on the field through mechanical plantation. South Goa MP Captain Viriato Fernandez joined them and tried his hand at driving the transplanter. Aptly, agriculture was and is the very foundation of the Indian economy. The fields were not being cultivated for the last 30 to 40 years.
ते ऑफिशियल जाल्ले ते विसरले. बट ही यूथ पळय आशिल्ले तांणी यूथ क्लब फॉर्म केलो, रेजिस्टर केलो आनी सक्सेसिवली दिस इज द 3rd सक्सेसिव इयर दे आर प्लांटिंग दिस. एंड सिन्स देर इज अ ब्रेक इन पार्लमेंट हांवूय तांचे मदें आयज भाग घेतला. म्हाका एक व्हडपण दिसता.
It is a sad state in the country that farmers have to come on the street. आम्ही डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणटा ओनली कॉन्क्रीट आणि रोड बांधले जाल्यार डेव्हलपमेंट जायना. फायनली इफ वी डेव्हलप द कंट्री विथ कॉन्क्रीट, वॉट आर वी गोइंग टू ईट? आमकां कॉन्क्रीट काय खावपाक येना. सो वी नीड टू पुश द फार्मर्स. एंड एक्सलंट जॉब डन बाय चिकाली यूथ फार्मर्स क्लब. ऑफकोर्स what they spoke about was hardships because of the flooding of the fields. Under WRD, I've already put up a proposal. A resolution is taken. The file is already in WRD, and one is for the sluice gate. आमचे दोरयांसून हार उदक येता तें पयलें बंद जावपाक जाय, नाजाल्यार आमची शेतां पिड्यार जातली.
दीस इज हे आमगेलें 4थें वर्स जे आमी शेत रोयता. डिफिकल्टीज म्हणल्यार आयज पळयलें जाल्यार ही सगळीं शेतां चिकले गांवांत रोयना आसलेलीं फॉर लास्ट 30-40 years. बट आमी हे परतून रिवायव करता सो जायते प्रॉब्लेम्स जाले जे आतां आमी सांगले तशी शेतां उदक भरून दवरल्या रिजन इज यूज जायना जाल्यार ड्रेनेजीस ब्लॉक प्रोजेक्ट्स येता बट कोणे तेजे केअर घेवना ड्रेनेजीस हें करपाक ताका लागून वॉटर लॉगिंग जावन हें आमकां शेत रोवपाक जायना.
Bureau Report for Herald TV.
The feast of the patroness of Cabo Chapel, Our Lady of Assumption, was celebrated at Raj Bhavan on Thursday. Hundreds of devotees flocked to the Raj Bhavan, where the governor and his wife attended the feast mass. Thereafter, the devotees made a beeline to have a glimpse and pray at the shrine of St. Pauline. The Cabo Chapel is located at a scenic spot on the Raj Bhavan, overlooking the confluence of the river Mandavi and the Zuari with the Arabian Sea. Here's a glimpse of the celebration. On the novena day of St. Joachim, the father of Blessed Virgin Mary invariably falls on Independence Day. Perhaps this chapel at Borda is the only chapel or church dedicated to St. Joachim in the state. The chapel had especially decorated with the main altar and the color of the national flag. Also, the color blue, which is associated with the Assumption, is part of the altar decor. We think and reflect and pray for our country on this occasion, said Father Simon D'Cunha.
ह्या आमच्या सान जोकीच्या बर्थडेच्या कपेलान हे आमचे नोवेन जाता ते वर्साचे वर्सा 15 ऑगस्टाक येताच एक नवें 15 ऑगस्ट पडटाच आनी ह्या दिसा आमी आमचो भारत मातेचो स्वतंत्रतायेचो दीस मनयता आनी ह्या खुशालकायेच्या निमित्तान आमी सगळीं भाव भयणां ह्या आमच्या भारताचेर आमचो नियाळ करता आनीक तुमी पळयतले ह्या ट्राय फ्लॅग असो दिसता आनी तेच बरी एक लायट ब्लू कलर ताचो मिनींग आमच्या भारत मातेक आमी मान दिता आनीक तो दुसरो कलर लायट ब्लू आसा तो आमचे सर्गीचे आवयचो कलर म्हणटच आमी तिका मान दिता आनी ह्या दिसा आमी हो दबाजो आमचे प्रिचींग आमच्या सर्गीचे आवयचेर प्लस आमच्या भारत मातेचेरूय आमी करता म्हणटच वर्साच्या आजून फुलां येवंक ना फुलांय आमी त्याच कलरान घालता सांजे वेळार आज 14 तारीख म्हणटच आज सांजे फुलां येतली ह्या ट्राय कलरांतल्यान आमच्या भारत मातेच्या झेंडेच्या कलरांतल्यान आमी फुलां घालता वर्साच्या वर्सा ही आमची पद्धत आसा.
The Independence Day of India was celebrated at Panjim Church with the hoisting of the national flag by parish priest Father Walter Disa. This was accompanied by the singing of the national anthem and patriotic songs. On this occasion, the winners of the quiz, Zephaniah Falcão, Zachariah George and Felcy Gomes received prizes. The program was compared by Anne Gomes. We end this news bulletin with 3 little children, Annabelle Pino, Tahira Fernandez and Chris Fernandez, singing the Tricolor of India. Listen to this beautiful multilingual rendition as the sun sets on the 78th Independence Day.
flutters atop with pride. Saffron white and green, it holds the chakra firm inside. The tricolor of India flutters atop with pride. Saffron white and green, it holds the chakra firm inside. ये तिरंगा हमारा ऊंचा रहेगा. ये तिरंगा हमारा ऊंचा रहेगा. Saffron stands for sacrifice, white a symbol of peace. Green is for prosperity and the India of our dreams. Saffron stands for sacrifice, white a symbol of peace. Green is for prosperity and the India of our dreams. Chakra denotes growth and progress of one and all. The leader of nations of the world, our country stands tall. Chakra denotes growth and progress of one and all. The leader of nations of the world, our country stands tall. ये तिरंगा हमारा ऊंचा रहेगा. ये तिरंगा हमारा ऊंचा रहेगा. ये तिरंगा हमारा ऊंचा रहेगा.
Bureau Report for Herald TV.